how to remove trailers you've watched from Netflix. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video we're going to learn how we can remove trailers that you have watched from Netflix. So make sure to watch the video till the end. Now Netflix usually keeps a track history of everything that you watch, including the trailers that gets played automatically. And if you'd like to delete those trailers that you watched, you can actually do this by simply opening your browser and going to netflix.com/account. So open your browser, go to netflix.com/account, and when you come here, make sure that you're signed into the appropriate Netflix account where you would like to clear the trailer history. Now simply scroll down over here, and once you scroll down you'll see a list of profiles. So select the profile for which you'd like to delete the trailer history, then just click on viewing and privacy settings, then click on the change option, and then you'll be able to delete those trailer and watch history. So this way you should be able to go ahead and then basically change your trailer and watch history. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.